that coffee I wanted to show you. This is it right here. And it's called Noor. French for black coffee. But it's Noor. Noor. Can you say that in Southern? Noor? You know, Noor, 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 Noor. I don't know. Noor. I say, I don't want that one nor that one. You know, I didn't know I was speaking French. But anyway, that's what it is. And it's made by Folgers. Comes in these standard little packets like that. Tear here. Now that doesn't even look like Folgers. And I'll tell you what it is. Let's see if we can. I mean, it's chocolate looking. But anyway, it would pass for cocoa, in my opinion. Now, I think the trick to a lot of this instant coffee that people don't get is it needs to steep. It needs to have time, like any other piece of coffee or drink or even a tea. It needs time to completely dissolve and to completely do what it needs to do. So give it another minute or two. If the hot of my insulated cup is, if the outside of my insulated cup is hot, then I know what's in it is. I know how to fix that. Back in the day, you cooled off your stuff just by pouring it from side to side. I don't really see anybody do that much anymore. If you had distilled water, a little higher, if you had distilled water, you could put, you know, the flavor kind of back into it by pouring it backwards and forwards, because distilled water tastes like nothing. Now I don't need it to keep hot, so I'm gonna leave it in this big one. So you still haven't heard about the Noor yet, have you? Yeah, it's a little more robust than the regular Folgers. Tastes a lot like brewed, so I'm going to give it a thumbs up, and then another thumbs up. If you like brewed coffee, I think you should go try the Noor. That's a pretty good flavor. It's real good.